And what's up, guys? Back to another video. Geometry dash video. So I haven't posted a video for a long time. That's because the phone was borrowed again. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use these triggers: the move trigger, the alpha trigger, the toggle trigger, and last rotate trigger. Now let's start with today's video. Let me just delete these all. Let's just delete these nuts. Okay, so our first one is gonna be move. So basically, just put the trigger. Add a group. Let's say group one there, and then move time is how long the block worm will move. At least that's what I think. Now, X is backward, and I think it was front. And Y is Let me just show you what they do. So let's just X. I'll just put for example 10. Let me just grab a block, add a group. Wait, and then did you see it move? Did you see it move? So let me just make it a little bit like this. So it moved. If you want it to move like instantly, accidentally turn on the mode. Let me just turn it off. I'll be right back. Okay, I removed that thing. Now back to the video, and then I just move it to 0 time, and then there it instantly moved. So if I just put in, for example, 30, there it moved. But if you want it to move right here, for example, the block will move right like this. No, not like that. The block will move just like this. Swipe. Let me just show you. So you turn 30 into negative 30. It's like this. Now I put an ubu. Negative 30. That's it. And now, bro, I died. You see it moved. So let me just change it the time again so you can see it moved. There. Now, if you want it to move up or down, if you want to move it up or down, you have to go to Y. Let me just turn off this, and then Y, and then if I put, for example, 50, and then it's still the same group, but it's still the same. Yeah, it moves up. It moves up. Look. And if you put it to negative, like last time, you put it to negative 50, and it goes down. There, let me just. Okay, so that's the move trigger. Okay, the next trigger will be alpha. So basically, let me just pause the video first. Okay, as I was saying, alpha trigger makes things invisible or not. Let me just show you. So fade time is the thing that you'll see. So if I just put this group, and then I added group 1, and then make this add the group, and then it went invisible. And then when it goes invisible, if I change the time, it will change the time how it becomes invisible. For example, let me just put it to this time. I think this is okay. And then it slowly disappeared. But if you put another trigger, and then change the time, and then put it to opposite one. Okay, one, and then the group. Okay, it went invisible. Let me just change the time. There. And then The alpha doesn't actually make them invisible. It just changes the opacity. For example, if I made it like I think this, let me just remove this, and then bruh. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Oi. Okay. Opacity. Let's put it to opacity this one. Opacity 40. I think that's enough. Okay, it went invisible for that. So if I just change the opacity to like this, there it's a small bit. So now you know how to use the alpha trigger. Wait. Okay, I think I showed you everything in the alpha trigger. Next one is gonna be toggle. So what the toggle does, it basically just I think it removes blocks or deletes them. So if I put this thing here and add a group, okay, and then put blocks, for example this one, and then add the group one, and then boom, boom, ba, bada ba, pow. Okay, so that's it. Toggle. Let me just delete this. Okay, I think I showed you everything in the toggle trigger. I think yes. Now last trigger I'm gonna be showing you is the rotate. So it's not that complex. So you just target trigger and center group. So before I do that, let me just for example, let me just put this to mode. So if I just put this thing here, if I made this kind of a sun thing, there, okay, and then add this to group one, and this to group two. They have to be separate, okay? And then you go to rotate, target ID, and center. And oh no, I forgot something. So I don't know any of these things do this times and degrees, but I think degrees is how much it spins. I think, and move in times is how much it moves. So let me just there. It's what the. Okay, let me just make it a little bit. No, that's too fast. How about like this one? Like there, like that. Wait, let me just. Bro, okay. Now I showed you how to do rotate command. So I showed you all the triggers that I said I would show. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button for more of this amazing video. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. See you guys.